All right, we've got wooden spoons, and I'm going to show you what I do with mine so that you can make your own. All right, I'm Vicky with the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Come on in. Let's see what we're doing with wood spoons, you guys. So I got these wood spoons from Hobby Lobby. Look at that, 99 cents. You can't beat that. That's even cheaper than Dollar Tree at this point. So let's go ahead. I've got a fun little project. I've got 3 wooden spoons. And we're going to just take our wire cutters, because I use these for everything, and we're just going to cut off where the neck is on our spoons. Now, it comes pretty easy. You just kind of fold it back and forth and all the things. Just going to take 120 grit sandpaper and just kind of sand down the rough edges. So 2 of them we want to cut off at the neck, right? The third one, we're going to do 3. The third one, we want to leave a little bit of a handle part. So we want to leave just a little bit more of a neck than the other 2, okay? And you'll see what's behind that in a minute. So these are going to be your wings. So we're doing ladybugs. So the ladybugs, typically the wings are going to be red, but you know what? You can make this whimsical and do whatever color you want. We are just going to use flag red today. That's just apple barrel flag red. Okay, now that we've got our wings painted red, and I did the front and the back, we're going to bring in our body. This is going to be our body neck piece. So it's going to go underneath our wings. So we're going to paint that all in black. And I just have your basic, this licorice black. Once we finish that, now we need to go ahead, while we have the black paint out, these are going to be our wings, so we need dots, right? All of our ladybugs have dots, right? So we're just going to take a really skinny brush and just do some little dots. Okay, now that we've got the black dots on our wings, let's make it a little fancy, right? I'm going to take, I've got this Posca pen. This is a paint pen. It's acrylic paint pen. We've never used these before. This part right here goes in and out, and the paint comes out of it. So we're just going to get it. Okay, there we go. Now we have some fancy wings going on. So now let's start assembling. We are just going to take our tacky glue for this project, and basically we are just going to overlap the wings just a little bit so that they end up on the body. And then I also, with doing this, at this point, depending on how you want to use them, you can make him a little ornament, but you could also take an extra one of the sticks that you cut him from, and you can put it on his back end, and then you can put him in like a planter or whatnot. You could totally do that too. But I baby clothespins, and we're going to put our baby clothespin underneath our little project here. Like so. While I have him in this position. So he's good like that. Last thing we want to do, though, I still want to give him a head. So you can do like a half circle. I'm going to do clay, just because I like using different mediums. Like I said, I like clay. And you don't need very much, just a pinch. This is the air dry foam clay. If you wanted to do foam clay or clay that you bake in the oven, you could definitely make your little head, bake it in the oven, and then glue it on totally up to you. With this, I'm just going to put it on and it will dry in place. So we're just going to do a little ball like so. And that's going to be his head. And we're just going to put some glue, pull them on here. And then you can put little antennas on him. You can do eyeballs. You can do whatever you want with him. I'm going to kind of leave mine for right now and kind of decipher what I want to do with him from here. All right, and now he is good to go. He is a little clip and he is ready to go. You can decorate him up as much or as little as you want. Super cute. All right, keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.